Hello everybody, this is who we are, and we are washing 2019 Mitsibushi L200 or Fiat fullback diesel part filter washing, cleaning. This is the second wash. You can see how dirty is the water. Anyway, this is who we are, like I said. You can reach us on 07533636194 with your DPF, EGR, Adblue, NOx, SCR problems. Additional to that, high fuel consumption, black or white smoke, power loss, and also we are content tuning ECU remapping center and auto watch ghost immobilizer fitting center. We do before and after test results, printed results, we give it to you. We clean it as good as making your DPF as new. This is what we aim for. My telephone number, once again, 07533636194. We are located in Western Kent, and our postcode is Tango, November 16 to Echo Tango. Thanks for watching. Please like and click on like button, and basically like it and follow us on YouTube. Thank you very much.